Good day, sweeties. Now, I'm sure you've heard the tale of a certain Alice and her rather mad journey here in what she calls Wonderland. Some of you might call it a dream or even madness, but I'm going to tell you what really happened. One day a girl stumbled across my way and asked where she should go. I told her that depends a good deal on where you want to go. But you see, the poor girl was utterly lost. I swear she answered she doesn't know. Can you imagine? Then it doesn't matter which way to go. As her tears started staining that blue dress of hers, what else could I have said other than, "Fine, I'll take you to the Hare and the Hatter, but that's the end of it." And off we were. So she followed a rabbit and she fell through a hole. A little girl Alice, troublemaker to be known. Now we run through the forest, the vanishing paths, meet friends and foes and strangers alike. Isn't it all mad? Don't you think, little girl Alice? Don't worry if I disappear, don't worry because soon I'll be there. Maybe I needed a nap or my own little hat. What's the matter with you, my sweet little Alice? So now we smell the fragrant tea, and now we hear the mad chatter. Yes, now we see the crowded table, and now we feel the laughter. Eat me delicious cake for all, drink me sweet nectar for all, run tea party to enjoy unless you fall. Silly little girl Alice. Don't worry if I disappear, don't worry because soon I'll be there. Maybe I needed a nap or my own little hat. What's the matter with you? Goodbye, my sweet little Alice. So that is the truth of it. For how could a girl like Alice imagine all of us and all of this? You might think I've gone mad. Ha! I'm not crazy. My reality is just different than yours.